Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 5,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.